Hey y'all, this is your girl Black Lace coming to you with another video. I've received requests on this makeup look, which I did, and I've put together a little something for you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we're gonna jump right into it. Let's go. We're gonna start with the LA Girl brown pencil. This is called Shady Line by LA Girl to create our brows. This brow pencil comes with a spoolie at the end, and it's perfect because the point of the pencil is very fine, and the spoolie can help you to comb your brows and keep them in a neat shape while you work. Now I'm gonna contour the brows with the Aucoin concealer and my angle brush. I'm gonna use the Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow. It is 2 shades darker than my actual skin tone, so I'm using it as my transition color. You can use any darker shade than your skin tone to create that transition. You can use any color, as a matter of fact, as long as it gives you that recede that you're looking for to contour the lids. So I'm using this shade to be my transition color, so that I can get that natural recede of the shape of the eyes and create that canvas for the eyeshadow. Now I'm using the MAC palette designed for Mariah Carey, and I'm using the silver shimmery color. This palette is called, I'm gonna list the name of the palette in the description box. This palette is called It's Everything Eyeshadow, and it was created for under the Mariah Carey, for Mariah. I don't know if it's for Mariah Carey or under the Mariah Carey's brand. And this was produced by MAC, or created by MAC. So I'm just blending in the shimmery eyeshadow color here. It doesn't have a name, so I can't tell you, but it's a quad palette. Just 4 colors in there, and I'm using the lightest shade in it over my lid. Now that the eyeshadow is complete, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm using the NYX foundation. It's called Stay Matte but Not Flat. This foundation is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm gonna mix it with the Maybelline 360 Fit Me liquid foundation. Give it a little swirl to warm up on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna apply with my brush. So I'm applying the foundation with my foundation kabuki brush. This brush doesn't have a name. I bought it on Amazon. It came in a pack with 12 other kabuki brushes. Now I'm setting with my Jordana pressed powder, and this one is called Honey Amber. I'm using the MAC black, my eyeliner is in black from MAC. I'm gonna list the name of this black eyeliner in the description box below. Now I'm applying a little eyeshadow glue to my lid. This will help the glitter that I'm gonna apply to stick to my lid. This glitter is from BH. It's called the BH Cosmetics Glitter Collection. So I'm just gonna add that to my lid. Of course, as I mentioned before, I've used a little eyeshadow glue to give it that extra hold on the lid. And now I'm just patting it in with my flat brush and let it sit. So I'm packing in. You can pack this as dense as you want. Don't forget to put some powder underneath the eyes to catch any fallout and so that cleaning up would be much easier and you wouldn't have glitter all over your face when you've completed the makeup look. I'm using back the Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow to create my contour. You can create a deeper contour by using a foundation that is 2 shades darker than your skin tone, and then but remember to blend that in as best as possible. I prefer to use the powder to create my contour. I find I get better control that way. So you contour your forehead and underneath the cheekbones. I like to go down just beside my chin so that it will create a narrow shape for the face. So you can bring the powder, the color, all the way down to the side of your chin. I'm gonna do it in just a minute and you will see. As you can see I'm bringing it just along the side of beside my chin, so you can see so you can create a narrow shape for your face. Of course, if your face is already narrow, you would want to do this, but if you want to create that precision narrow chiseled chin, you can do that. Now I'm contouring my nose using the same Earth Glow powder. So I'm basically finished. I'm just going in and ensuring that the brows are bold enough. So I'm going back in with my eyebrow pencil in dark brown and ensuring that the brow is flawless and popping. Alright, so the lipstick I'm gonna use is called Hello Boys by Sacha Cosmetics. This is my favorite lipstick. I love it because it's quite matte and you know it gives you a neat finish on your lips. And now I'm using the Milani strobelight bronzer to create that glow on my cheek, the arch of my brow, and the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. And this is the finished look, you guys. I've zoomed in the camera so you can see. I've added glitter underneath along my lash line, my waterline, and on my lid. This is the finished look and it's turned out pretty good. And this time I just want to tell you thanks for watching my video. Boy, to record these videos and prepare them is a little task, but I'm getting the hang of it slowly but surely. I'm just asking you to bear with me. I'm trying my best. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.